Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. I'm going with the hat today, not putting makeup on. Kind of tired. My thyroid stuff, I think it's kind of affecting my eyelashes. I lost a few eyelashes. Actually, a lot of eyelashes in the last couple days. So anyway, putting the hat on. Going with that for today. So today I thought I'd talk about Cyber Monday deals this year. So this kind of became a new thing. Black Friday's a big deal. All weekend things are on sale. And then Cyber Monday, some things are even more on sale. So I thought I'd cover a few good deals. And I still haven't seen Niode mentioning any special sale on their copper peptide products yet. The sale goes till December 7th. So fingers crossed we can get our copper peptide serums from them at half off maybe. We'll see. Usually it happens at the very end of the sale. So, okay. So GNC has buy one, get one free. I don't know. Maybe they do this more often than I realize. But I do buy creatine from them. Creatine Monohydrate. I'll link to it below. I just finished my last bottle a few weeks ago, so I ordered 4 of them because basically it was buy 2, get 2 free. So, yeah. So if you exercise at all or if you're getting a little bit older, creatine is a great thing to supplement. It really helps your strength and things like that. So, iHerb has 25% off any order over 60. So a couple of things I like from them. The tear support, if you have dry eyes, this is great. It actually is a real game changer. They also have their skin restoring ceramides life extension supplement, which I reordered because I finished it. If you watched my empties yesterday, I finished that. And I also reordered a couple packs of the Cetaphil fragrance-free cleansing wipes, which are an alternative to Neutrogena fragrance-free cleansing wipes. They're pretty similar, except Cetaphil has a few options with smaller packaging. So if you travel a little bit, you don't have to carry around a big thing like that. So that's always nice. Sephora has some Cyber Monday deals, 30% off First Aid Beauty, Youth to the People. Youth to the People, this is a repurchase of their Superberry Glow Oil, which I really enjoyed. First Aid Beauty has several of their moisturizers on sale as well. And they also have a deal, a set of Paula's Choice Peptide Plumping Lip Gloss, a set of 2. One is clear and then the other one has a light pink tint to it. So you can pick this set up for, I think it was $28. So not too bad. I actually really like this lip balm. I love this one. And the Summer Fridays is nice too. But I think I've ended up liking the Paula's Choice Clear a little bit better. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to do a versus of them. But really nice. So, and the light pink version is very light. I mean, it's very nice. It gives you a little bit of color, but not too much. Urban Decay's eyeliner, they call it 24/7 Inks Easy Ergonomic Liquid Eyeliner Pen is half off. It's $12. It was normally $24. What shade is this one? I think it was Whiskey is the name of the shade. Oil Slick, and then I think I have another one that was called Whiskey. But I don't see it now. But anyway, these are really nice eyeliners. I'm not very good with liquid eyeliners, but these ones are pretty easy to apply. They haven't dried out yet. Use them occasionally. But they give you a little bit of good color. What was the other one? I swear it was like called Whiskey or something like that. Maybe I'm making that up. But I know I bought 2 of them, and now I know I can't find the other one. But anyway, these are really nice and give you some good color. Anyway, I can't find the other one. I swear it was Whiskey, but somebody correct me. Let me know. So these are really nice. So $12, not a bad deal. What else do we have? Oh, at Sephora, I thought I would also mention the Aestura Aloe Vera is on sale. This is their mist, which is nice. They've got a emulsion, an essence, a moisturizer, body lotion. So these are also on sale. Let's see. Ulta has some good sales. Actually, they have discounts on Bubble, 25% off Peach and Lily, Estee Lauder, and then they have a bunch of K-beauty products that are also not half off, but I think 40% off. So the Anua Rice Glow Milky Toner is now $15.75. It's regularly about $21. This stuff is really nice and hydrating. Also, the COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is on sale for $17.50. It's regularly $25. They also have the Anua Rice 70 Intensive Moisturizing Milk, which is, I have it. I just couldn't find it. It's probably somewhere on my countertop, but it's just a thicker lotion version of this, which is really nice. And then they also have this stuff I'm loving on my neck now that it's wintertime. The Rice Ceramide Hydrating Barrier Serum at $16.50. It's regularly 22 bucks. This stuff's really nice. I use it a lot on my neck, which gets really dry. So this stuff is really nice for dry skin. It really soaks in nicely and is really hydrating. So those are some good deals there. Target has 25% off beauty products, and then they are also giving away gift cards with certain purchases of hair care or beauty products. A couple good deals I want to point out. I'm just starting to test this one, the Prequel half and half Ceramides and Peptides fluid moisturizers. It's now 19 bucks. It's regularly 26 bucks, so that's a good deal. Just starting to dive into this one. Just started testing it out recently. And then I will mention the Clean Skin Club towels are $13.50 and they're regularly 18 bucks. And these are nice. You get a really good amount of uses out of them. Sometimes I'll cut them in half because they're pretty big. These are the XL version, but they're pretty big, so... Or you can get the smaller version, but these are really nice for, you know, if you're just doing a quick morning cleanse, or if you don't like to switch. I have a whole towel routine. So a towel gets used for hair after it's been used for the body, and then it becomes a hand towel. I have a whole system, but anyway, these are good, especially if you have acne-prone skin. Sometimes your towel can hold a lot of bacteria, so these might be more convenient for some people that don't have the time or patience to cleanse their towels more often. And then last but not least, Dermstore has up to 30% off with the code word JOY, and I picked up and ordered, I don't have it yet, the Medicate Liquid Peptides Advanced Mini Protein Moisturizer. So I ordered that. I think it was really 92 bucks. I think I'm getting it for what, 70 or something right around there. So that was a good deal all around. QVC has some good deals as well, and a lot of brands are having sales. QVC, all that good stuff, so check those out. But I just want to leave you, Stratia has their 25% off, and Geek and Gorgeous has 20% off, and that ends today. Where's my Geek and Gorgeous goodies? Here they are. Sea Glow, Power Peptides, these are all wonderful. So if you haven't tried those, give those a whirl. Ike is needing water immediately, apparently, because everything's always about him. But anyway, I'm coming right now. Okay. Curious what you're picking up, if anything. Leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.